Hey there, Alex Kidman here, and look, a shiny box has shown up from the nice people at Google, or I presume it's the nice people at Google. These are their colours. What could be inside? Well, okay, you clicked on the description. You know what's inside. I'm pretty sure I know what's inside. But the only thing that I've done with this since it's shown up is, in fact, just to tear my address label off the top of it. Why? Well, because it turns out I already know where I live, but it's still literally sealed at the base here. Let's open it up and do a quick little unboxing. I'm also doing this because there is a chance I will not get enough time to do a proper in-depth review, as I like to do, before the embargo lifts. This way I'll have something to show off at least before that time. And it's some upside-down Google logos. Some interesting packing choices there, but okay. It's some Google paper. Who knew they made paper? Did you know? Let me know in the comments below. And it is, of course, wrapping around a Pixel 8a. This is the charcoal variant, I believe they call it, or the black, basically, let's be honest here, along with a Pixel 8a case. I am a big fan of phone cases. People buy phone cases, I mean, not just for this, for any phone. Pick yourself up a phone case. If you've got a weird off-brand, weird variant phone, then go online, look on all your typical kind of Chinese factory sites. You will inevitably find a case of some sort. Really good, sound, sensible investment. So let's have a look here. This is the 128 gig model. No big surprise there, because the only real difference there is that they're doing the higher spec model this year, of course. The storage, fixed storage and all that. And here's the phone itself. Still got the paper. Paper, is it? I mean, it's kind of plasticky paper, I suppose. Probably not recyclable. I'm really not sure on that score. Although they do claim that it's fairly recyclable, this particular thing. And look, I mean, it's very much like the Pixel 7a was before it. It's a smaller, slightly more affordable Pixel phone. Now, I say slightly more affordable. They have bumped the price up this year, which I do think is a little bit regrettable. But other than that, it's all very standard Pixel stuff too as well. The number of these little Pixel adapters that I've got is kind of ludicrous, really, but they are actually very handy little things if you've got to do A to C kind of conversion. I find it interesting, actually, that they offer them because there's so many chargers, of course, which are now straight C to C. No charger in the box, of course, although Google does have one of their own, and if you're like me, you've probably got a few of those. And then we have everyone's favourite, the SIM tool, and a cardboard box of probably documentation or warranty specs, or that's a lot of cardboard box for two very small paper documents. A little thing saying, hey, go to these websites, and then the safety, warranty, and regulation guide for Pixel 8a, which, look, if you really like legalese, or if you've really got trouble sleeping at night, then you might enjoy it, but there's a section on skin irritation. Some people may experience reactions to materials such as nickel found in items that are in extended contact with the skin. Stop use of the phone and consult a physician if you experience skin irritation in locations in frequent contact with the phone. Yeah, I mean, I get why that's there. They're covering the legal liability, but really, if the phone makes your skin crawl, literally, that's not a good sign. That's really not a good sign. I suppose while I'm here, I may as well unbox the case as well, if I can work out how to get in. Do we have a little tear tag thing, or are we just a pop open at the top job? We're a pop open at the top job. Violence is the solution. I mean, I'm not expecting this to be anything terribly exciting. It is matching the colour of the phone. One of the things I do like about cases, aside from the protection aspect, is of course the fact that you can change up the colours of the phone. But in this case, we're a fairly close match. I suppose that is a more matte finish, isn't it? So it's maybe a little less shiny. Still, phone cases are great. Use phone cases, people. Look, phone case, go on. Phone is slightly more protected. Yeah, I can smash it with a hammer. I've got a whole video, by the way, on why I don't do phone drop tests and those kind of brutal things, which you should watch. I'll throw a link into that. But for now, I better get on to actually setting this up and testing it. Thanks for watching.